Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rank Play for Dummies. Black Ops 7 Ranked is here. If you're unfamiliar with Rank Play for Dummies, it's essentially a live comm series where I walk you guys through everything I'm doing in Rank Play in real time in hopes to help you guys get better at Rank Play. So without the minimap is the most important thing in the game, especially when you're playing Ranked. It gives you all the information.
Minimap is the most important thing in the game
You need. I'm not going to try and break this hill. If anything, I'm trying to make sure. And every kill I get is going to stagger their push. Every single kill I get is going to spawn them.
Professor Zinni, question. What the absolute fuck do I do when my team is just ass? And I'm top of the leaderboard and I'm trying to do everything, play point, get kills. I've done everything and we still lose. Well, what happens then?